Debunking Myths. Virginity Testing at Home.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into a very sensitive topic, the concept of testing virginity at home using DIY methods. But before we do, it's important to establish that virginity is a cultural or personal concept, mostly related to the idea of never having had sexual intercourse. Scientifically, there is no definitive physical state or condition that signifies virginity.
What are common virginity testing myths?
Many cultures around the world promote various myths and misconceptions related to virginity testing. One of the most common myths is associated with the hymen. This is a thin tissue that partially covers the entrance to the vagina. The myth is that the hymen always breaks and bleeds the first time a person has sexual intercourse. However, this is not true. The hymen can stretch or tear for many reasons beyond sexual intercourse, such as physical activities, use of tampons, or medical examinations. Furthermore, not all hymens are the same. Some people may be born with very little hymenal tissue or none at all.
Can you test virginity at home?
Simply put, no. There are no DIY methods, scientific tests, or physical examinations that can definitively determine whether someone is a virgin. Virginity is not a physical or medical condition, but a personal concept or belief. There's no one-size-fits-all definition, as what counts as sex can vary between different cultures, religions, and individuals. Therefore, testing for virginity at home is not feasible, and any claims otherwise should be seen as misinformation.
Why is virginity testing harmful?
The practice of virginity testing is not only scientifically invalid, but it is also harmful and unethical. The World Health Organization, UN Human Rights, and UN Women have all stated that virginity testing has no scientific or clinical basis, and they strongly oppose its use globally. Virginity testing can lead to stigma and discrimination, and it is an infringement on a person's rights to privacy, dignity, and physical integrity. It can also cause physical, psychological, and social harm. Understanding the nature of virginity and debunking the myths around it is very important in promoting healthy conversations and attitudes about sexuality. Remember that virginity is a personal concept, and no test or physical examination can definitively prove it. It's crucial to respect each other's beliefs, experiences, and personal boundaries. Thank you for joining us in this discussion, and we hope that it has been informative and helpful.